One of the key challenges in developing any kind of a risk-based control strategy is you have to be able to anticipate all the possible risks to product quality. And so if we did this perfectly, right, we would not hardly need to test at all. But the challenge really comes from the unexpected events that can happen in actual manufacturing, things that are outside of the models that we used when we do our process development, characterization, and validation. And we have seen variability that's been unexpectedly introduced from raw material sources, from processing equipment, from human errors, or from just the fact that we're using a biological system that we may not completely understand. And so we go through a logical risk-based process to get to a control strategy that makes sense to control the process as we've designed it. But there are other events that we have to control for, and that becomes the challenge then to add tests to your overall control system that will allow us to identify those rare occasions when something unexpected has happened. The unexpected results tell us something's different about our system. So sometimes it's a raw material that we need to control better, or it might be that there's a gap in our description of how the process needs to be executed and things like that. So the unexpected results are not necessarily catastrophic, but they do tell us that there's some additional work that needs to be done, either in designing the process or in coming up with the instructions for how it's to be executed. Our QBD program really is built on 30 years of experience in this field. There are a lot of experiences that we've had, some unfortunate, which help us to identify the risks. What is it about the process that we truly need to control? And what are some of the operations that might be difficult to execute and so forth. So there are advantages to having deep experience in producing biologicals.